how do individuals invest? Through mutual funds, through portfolio management schemes, or by direct stocks in large cap, mid cap, small cap? What would be your advice?
See, 100%, if you are not a professional investor yourself, a full-time investor, please invest either through mutual funds or through portfolio managers. So see, it's a full-time job. It's like me, when I get fever, I just have a crocin and go to sleep. So my wife will call the doctor. You need professional advice. Similarly, boss, investing is not something which is easy. It requires full-time attention, right? But a lot of people want to invest because of the excitement. So keep 10% of money for the excitement. 90% you use for professional managers. And another thing I tell you, Atul, the biggest mistakes are made. See, you cannot, if I get 18% return on my investment, I'm a king. Suppose I get 21%, I'm an emperor. Right? When 21% of money doubles in 3.5 years. The biggest problem is with the attitude of expectations. And we have two things over, greed and fear. When you want very high return, greed overwhelms us. So we take all kind of risky decisions. I love to go to a bar, so I used to go and sit in Jeffries. So somebody will say, "Kya stock market? What do you think? Market will go up, down?" I said, "Abhi to bazaar se aaye hain subah, 5-6 घंटा काम करके let me relax. Then some pretty girl will come ask for a tip. Obviously, I can't tell her no. So I'll tell her, buy XYZ. How much will go up? I'll say it will double in 3 years. Only double in 3 years? I tell her, here is the address of the Mahalakshmi race course. So the most important thing is your expectation of return. If you are getting 8%, 9% in debt, it could give you a return of 15 to 18%. It's not, it is not T20 cricket, this is test match cricket.
So what are your early lessons as an investor?
Well, early lessons, late lessons. Lessons are, I think first thing is be realistic in your expectations. To see reality as it is rather than what you would like it to be. Don't be too pessimistic. Pessimistic though, but don't get too optimistic. Right? Don't be afraid to make a mistake. You're going to make a mistake. So decide. And 2 plus 2 is not equal to 4. Where 2 plus 2 is 22. That's where you should invest. And you should rely on your intuition and your judgment. And remember one thing, we invest in the future, that future is uncertain. Nobody can know the future. We may try to model it, we may try to predict it. So don't try to be too predictive. Try and understand general direction. And see, there is a financial due diligence, there is a business due diligence. Financial due diligence, what is the earning, what is the financials of the company. I think the business due diligence is more important. See, when I explained to you about India, what I was explaining is the factors which drive India's growth. I look at those factors. So when I look at a company, let me look at the factors which drive the company. Company's profitability, the quality of its product, the demand for its range of products, right? The quality of the management, the cash cycle of the company. And so many other lessons. And see, I have no written, laws of investment because there are no laws, right? I have no rules because there are no rules. So it's very difficult to say what I've learned, but I think I'm constantly learning.